Sir, what is the difference between dowry list and istridhan list? Judge passed order to return istridhan and party submitted dowry list including groom's article, FIL, MIL and relative gift also. Any judgment? Actually, there is dowry list which actually should be prepared at the time of solemnization of marriage. That is called list of articles. Dowry Prohibition Act has section which was added, the rule which was added at a later date, which stipulated that in every marriage a list should be prepared. The list should be signed by both bride and groom and their guardians. It should list all the articles which are given in dowry, and they all should be handed over, or the custody of it should be handed over to the girl within a stipulated period of 90 days or 6 months, whichever it is. I don't recall 100% because it is a very relatively very lesser used provision. Istridhan comes from the concept of Manusmriti, and istridhan list is the articles which are istridhan. Istridhan is any item which is given to a lady by her father, brother, husband, father-in-law, or relatives at the time of marriage or any time thereafter for her sole usage or usage with another person. So supposedly there is a necklace which is given, so it is for her sole usage. Supposedly a bed is given, so the bed is for joint usage of her and her husband. A car is given, it is again a joint usage. Utensils are given, it is again for joint usage. But supposedly another sari is given, so sari is for sole usage. So all these form part of istridhan. There are items which are gifts. Gift is something which is given voluntarily without other person asking. So if a watch is given to the groom at the time of wedding, it should be treated as gift and not as istridhan, and it cannot be by any stretch of imagination be istridhan. Can it be dowry? Yes, if there was a demand, it can be dowry. Please understand that barring few states, there is no limit on how much dowry should be given at the time of marriage as per Dowry Prohibition Act. It says that demand of dowry is illegal, exchange of dowry is illegal, customary gifts are allowed. Now, customary gifts, how much is custom, how much the custom allows, it varies from a place to place. So these things are not defined fully completely in Dowry Prohibition Act. There is only difference in nomenclature when a lady presents a list and she says this is my dowry list. In Delhi, the trend is that the lady will present a list which will include all the dowry, all the supposedly dowry articles, gift articles, istridhan, expenditure of marriage, and everything put together. This order, which says that istridhan should be returned without any bills or without any proof of these items being available, seems to me an erroneous order. It should be challenged because unless it is defined what are the istridhan items and the existence of those items are proved, further the handing over of those items to the accused or the respondents are proved, just asking a person to return these articles is erroneous to the best of my knowledge and understanding. This order should be assailed in a higher court. It should be challenged.